Chibiem Samoa Kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yeda Apostle Dr. Ni te kutegwase eni kwanshen sem de du so ne Badwam kase sem no ne obati bi ni mampani John Dramani Mahama sa wose ye nhwehwemu fasika ene yasai wo Ofankor-Nsawam kwantempon no so sansam no ne nsem bi na no pay mere bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Gov't TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 ne kwa adom online.com semi ene sembebre ewo ho faseda mama joy Trish ko Instagram Facebook on ho ko penta de papa bi ehye won wada roma ene wo madom me ba ku ya Frederick Opticals ehye meni no aboho by media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den sem ni nchemu ankasa etie Ghana Yamampani John Dramani Mahama say wase nhwehwemu ekoso sika potin ye ne yase no ewo Ofankor-Nsawam kwantempon no eso ene wabo aprakwa akohwe ho ehwe de adwuma no kọ eno de nsemi etudwa.
I can understand what happened. A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds. So that's something that we need to find out. What really happened? How come the loan that was taken was not enough? Was it that the estimate for the project was not done properly, or what happened? But I can see that drivers are happy now, and I hope that from now till when you finish the project, you maintain a smooth flow of traffic even as you're working.
As one more was adding similar to Ja, Edema contractor, who yes, our quantum soon see.
Because it connects the two biggest cities in Ghana. And so any challenges with this contract affect a huge number of commuters because of the heavy traffic that passes through here. And so we were quite concerned about the complaints that were coming from the traveling public. And so we are happy to see that the traffic is flowing.
Yeah, establishing a DBI friend.
My intosona yanko yanson for fromo no so for local government chieftaincy ne religious affairs ne that memenda 6 September the National Sanitation Day under Clean Up Ghana agenda no is the first Saturday ewo bosumi biemu no yede ahosisi ebehye so manmu kase no etwaso
ye establishing adebia friend call center and they are training mabno be nipedu yede telephone mobile phones alcohol enti Ghana afana nyina ba bia wona ma obehu fi bia no ane se obetwa ada se odi video no beko ana se obefre na ya ho jurisdictional efin efri eba then we alert the mayor. Ya top motorbikes are on the patrol the principal streets. And it's a mobile AMA hat and my station on the Phoebe Gua. Now you insist I next say AMA mayor over problem.
Dean our known da municipal chief executives ano one crying John Desmond Sowa Edia Tuja say say baby an important media obey the but to ensure say this is being adhered to they say yen the municipal chief executives any assemblies they joining hands to ensure say if the say town council the town council baby it is a baby now you poto town council bar or you be fine and I say you be prosecute you say nyame ya ye nyina ye MMDC yet the FNBBA sanitation task force which is similar to the town council system is to ensure say if maybe we prioritize sanitation.
And to Akasiano eso na Oshiaman Mankrado ene wode to traditional council enim say hin semu man so twen ya ekoso no nanamfa ne nsifo no meboa e masumdwe ntime mfa ne ntoma pa emfra ye nseme gu nkrata so efri gamanche ho e na okasa de etia de akoso ntime nam so nipa bi ato nananom nsedo ama bi mo free mu nti kase no etwaso
Oshuman Mankralo adote kropon autosumienu kasa ewon sentrofo enhyiemu ase no wode tudwa se ho behia pa se ga traditional council ebem mentimu ase a ekoso a nipa bi mu ama won ehumene so se omo ya hemfo ewo omajo Oshuman Pokwase, Kojo Ashon, and Nkura Wodo bi eka ho. Osan so de to Omampani John Dramani Mahama enim se onye bibi emfa homom esan se omanfo bi enam kwan bi so a anamo a womo etu no enya de asomdwe eba kra. Omanfo be kai amentemu ase bi ekoso ewo sotum ene majofo ntem na no a majofo ede kpekwe. Eye womo amamre enam so ama nipa bi moto anananom wonse do aposifo nso echi nipa bi ma na asemi na womo ebom.
Kuku Boji on the 12th August this year 2025 Ghana Traditional Council ha directives ko ke ha police ke authorities ake akrowa ekome amena ke na baba anye bajeme oni kan akrowa ni ameka shoni o police ke authorities say abomode na protect na kan koni no fon akabaye akrowa egbe ji Pokwase Omanjo Kojo Ashon Anahuma Afiama ke Oshuma Eji Imami
Ajarifo ya omo kanshi Accra Business Center say one mo sempenufo ye wo free ho no be ha won mo adwen pa nti ani die mo omo adwen omo nsesa na won fra won mo medu ondwa kase no etwaso
Busumi mienu ni kwame ensani na obi ye container be si ye opamo baifu egu onyina ye de nipa egu onyina ye de asamba da empanifo ama ya ka kira mo say mummo ye na ye nyi container ampa mo de o say yo ya mo be container na ama ye every say container ni free on ye nya ahonto de biara da amefo ane me yogu ya so say enye niema fiti Monday ebesi na ye gira ye kasai wo ma be ye niema nyina ye so eto abayire
yesrem say baby amapam ye no ya ba time baby aye ma school fees yesrem aye ma ye hwe fie kese eti yesrem ye de ni die ene nkoto sere ene ye de mamo yesrem a ya je nkrofo niema ona bo asikote wo pabo fashion na ko ba na wo mobo regional minister, vice president, ye fa yo jinye. Mama won pabo fai, wale no nyo fi, wala ko ba nyo fi. So ne woni ne ka woni ne mi mama won pabo fai. Won pabo kai ona bo asikote fai, nye ba na wo mobo.
Akuafo ya wo mudua je ne wasante achim north de adesre to aban nanim se je ne bebre wo ho a won mo adua aso kama. Tinka aban fa nansi ho de ye krafri nkofo ma so no yentwam sebe ya won de no ade hye woni be kire ho
jinu no ay quality pa ba antoforo na emba nti yeso sisi na ediko market ho no enko maye the whole Ghana sisi a udi agogo jinu no koto ho se na se enche kwara more than 1 month abegu ho kwara bona 1 month onhu mfoso bia ewo
na gere gene na bae no na ma weni na ba na gere de na mba yanim se ka wa de aka mo beto amaye so onye kata bebre me se Ghana company for se omo heso omo mboye na adwuma na koso maye
chairman no ne da Asante Achim North Onion Farmers Association anon Moro Adamu enso de nsem se eto aban nanim
mesre pedinfo Ghana pedinfo se omo mboye mo mbire ko mbe se 2 months na se 3 months ko anwa de se pian de no bia ma se che na egu hoyi enkola ya sa omo go abegu hoyi se de den ene Monday the hasi ka nema bia ni hasi to phone ina gwa o manto nema na go robi to mutime break o mbe 2 months na se 3 months ya na ko ma sama ya ene sa ya boka sike be fe ngola we ya na de fe ngola ma o ko school
Make say University of Ghana one more eniema bi nsheda enkoyie na ni nyina no agina say adwumayefo na bontrene de ato management nim defo enso one more anhwe na time overtime allowance ka no won sent to me anka de adwuma no one mo bejaye
This is me department am we me messenger cleaner who's a junior staff okini office babako 10 a day adentia because I was say 8 o'clock yesterday, but baby, I say, workers near Yadin say. Even though overtime and by force, we can also decide, say, overtime crying ye pion.
do weekends and holidays. I'm come from don't be overtime because the first come with more overtime now. The workers are even doing favor to the university because who can employ nipa, who trying to do all those things. But it's kind of
na womo ensan e de atodwa se womo de beto National Labour Commission any fair wages enim e de afa anamonto a womo pese womo etuo no
momo putting say up to on the 9th of this month ebeya yensia de be sia so overtime amusu muntu na munya den muntua na de ye problem overtime ya so nya de because you say ebe overtime a eba juniors overtime aban ye den abantua e GOG funding is a GOG funding na adwuma no so aban fanipa na workers overtime not my workers in
Yento Kasiano eso na me kasai adihye be say 100 a womo wadam by de yabo womo kwadu ofin ene yama ahodo bi a womo edi ho for Kasiano etwaso
100 accused persons and over that 100 accused persons 7 accused persons have been prosecuted today. And then the fine was 50 penalty units, and the higher is 70 penalty units. The rest are those who do not have a toilet in their various houses. They were cautioned to go and build a toilet and report to the court later before their fine will be pronounced.
Nano we see Assembly member here what Dambai Central Ura Charles so den semi etwaso.
Na sa say by dia tukwem na abano kwaya de papa Badwam ye timamufo no yare ahodo atwe ho ahia na abrase na wo hwe ye bola mu nsama na krumana ye di bola ho nya papa esi ane se obi aye no adonkelism sa adonkelism no ediye beko ohawum esi ane se we yensom eni oman no mena wo yensom a na oman no emu ayefe
Empowering for ya wamoda Ofankor-Nsawam teaching hospital na nei warma power intensive lobbying and pursuing public-private partnership. Sebeya wonomo dino ehun sam no ebeko entem ni teaching legacy project no ebetimi akọ hariso ediamawo.
There were a lot of challenges here bibia hwe institution bi ho so ba ye MRI CT scans ni nyina no ida se ase ana se ene eye adwuma ochina enye adwuma ena noma bi wo ho so a ne ye ni bi kra mammogram ye machine a after 40 years 45 years ye bibia friend screening breast screening sene ebe make sure say ebia breast cancer na bibi no mo obia no mo ni bi betumi apeke in term we shall send American no we school about 20 years ni and we've not had it. There will be a friend or cardiac catheterization lab, CATH lab. And yeah, a whole setup. Before say it is a machine be our mass na wako, but a machine I say wa buy a CT scan, MRI, baby a canon, a whole setup. AC hormone machines akese e no hospital ni enya bida for
the sansem ni nyina etudwa evrana ayaresabia no eye won media review 2025 enumu enwodi tudwa so besra ban ene wona kebi wum se enimani mu ya no ofoni enkyere eye Ofankor-Nsawam aban ayaresabia
en sene amekan no ma ka ye other projects say sickle cell clinic building and blood center e new mother and baby unit na yesi no e wo ho Uba hospital abon se project bebra ye started here for several years I am complete here we no nyina ho challenges were ho but your these plans are ye dey ebe address rather no ye be focus here limited resources no e dey complete nia ese hospital ye yisu ye sika nia ese ye je nkofo boaye no ye be koso Astrom.
Maminya no Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de si ye da se emrani adaje a wode ma ye wada wo mada bon krata no ene Adom online stories na ready ye de to so ye kwaba